His hidden feature name is Genius. I want to be like Albert Einstein. Hello Tubebuddies, in today's video I'm going to show you the hidden feature in Microsoft Edge. So let's get started. His hidden feature name is Max Solver. This tool is used basically for solving math problems within the Microsoft Edge browser. You don't need to go to any external software like calculator and all for solving math problems. You can just directly do it within the Microsoft Edge. So let's jump onto the PC and let's check it out how it works. So here I'm on my PC right now. So here I have one PDF file open and here I have one quotient. Okay, so I'm just going to click on this ellipsis right here, three dots, and then hover onto this arrow and I can see this option Max Solver. If I right click on it, I can enable option showing toolbar. If I click on that, this is the toolbar right here where we type our addresses and all. Here I can see the Max Solver icon. So if I click on that, so the first way of dragging a Max Solver to the pane, what you have to do is like just taking a screenshot over it, okay, over the question, or you can just type the max problem. So first we are going to go with the first way. So if I just going to create a screenshot over the question, and within a few seconds I'm going to get the answer of it, and you can see right here I'm going to get the answer soon. Yeah, so now I have got my answer. The answer is x is to 4. If I click on this show solution steps, I can even get the solution steps and all. You can even check out the videos, recommended videos from them. You can even share it, copy and all. So this is the first way of the Max Solver. So let's jump on to the second way. So the second way I'm going to tell you is the type max problem. Okay, so here you have one keyboard with all the numbers, symbols. If I click on these tabs, you can get more of the symbols right here. If I click on this 1, 2, 3, 1, I'm just going to, okay, I'm going to take 4 divided by 2 minus 2, and then let's see what will the answer will come, and the answer is 0. So well, I'm not a math genius. I want to be like Albert Einstein. So this is all regarding about the Max Solver in Microsoft Edge. So hope you have found this video helpful. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and that's it for today, and I have to see you next time. Bye bye.